Welcome back to my video, and in this video we're going to be making the same as that cat. Don't worry about my nails, they're going to get redone. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. This is not going to be a tutorial where I'm sitting here and showing you part by part by part, because it's really self-explanatory, but I will be checking in so we can go over the progress together. So we're gonna make the same as that cat, and let's get into it. So all you're gonna need is your crochet hook of choice, your scissors to cut. I have some yarn right here. I have more yarn. So this is the color I'm gonna be using. This is an adult size. If you need the size down, you can size down. If you need to size up, you can size up. So that's all up to you, depending on the person's head. This one I did an initial chain of, what did I chain? I chained 29, and then I did 26 rows. But I'm gonna make another one to show you guys, and I'm gonna be doing 29, and I'm going to do 30 rows. So basically that's what we're doing, but I will show you guys how to start off. I am using double yarn, so I like the way this look, and I will be making more, putting some on my website if you want to check that out as well. If you would like a written pattern, which is really self-explanatory, I can sell you the pattern for $1. Just let me know. Okay, so now that you change your 29, you're gonna go into the next chain, which will be the 28th chain, and that's where you're gonna start your first double crochet and continue on for how many rows you need. For me, it was 26. For my husband, it's going to be 30 I'm gonna do for him. So I'll meet you back when we're at least halfway. Okay, so this is what the head is looking like right now, and I had to add some extra yarn, so that's why this is here, but that can easily get tucked. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 rows, and this would be the 13th row. So we're gonna keep going, and I'll meet you guys back once I finish the whole thing. Okay guys, so once you're done, this is the one with 26 rows that I showed you in the beginning. This is the one with 30 rows that I made. Once you're done, you're just going to slip stitch or single crochet all the way up and around to close. As you can see, the tail is still on. This is what it looks like. I ran out of this color, so I had to add some light green, but this is the finished product. This is the advanced tutorial. It's very self-explanatory. You're just going making double crochets all the way down, and I did back loop. You don't have to do back loop, it's all up to you. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.